Here's a thing nobody warned developers about. When AI starts writing more of your code, you don't get to relax. You shift work. You generate less. You review more. Today, Episode 5. Code Review with AI. The other half of AI coding, and the part most developers underweight until it bites them. Let's start with the shift that's actually happening. In a pre-AI codebase, you wrote most of the code yourself. Code review meant looking at your teammates' pull requests. That was the bulk of review work, other people's code. In an AI-native workflow, that flips. You're now generating a lot of code through an agent. Every prompt produces a diff. Every diff needs to be reviewed before you accept it. And separately, you're still reviewing your colleagues' AI-generated code. The new bottleneck isn't typing. It's reading and judging. The best AI-native engineers I know spend less of their day writing and more of their day reviewing, both their own agent output and other people's. The good news, AI itself can help with that review. 3 concrete use cases. Use case 1. Review your own AI-generated code before accepting it. This is the highest leverage one and the easiest to skip. The agent just produced a diff. It looks fine at a glance. You hit accept. 3 days later you find the subtle bug. Don't trust your own approval. Ask a separate agent, a fresh session, sometimes a different model, to review the diff like a senior engineer. The prompt that works: here's a diff that another AI agent just produced. Review it like a senior engineer would. Find bugs the author missed, edge cases not handled, security issues, style mismatches with the codebase, anything you'd block in a pull request review. The fresh agent doesn't have the original task in its head. It's not trying to defend its work. It catches things the writing agent missed. Cheap to run, high signal. Use case 2. First pass review on your teammates' pull requests. You're about to read a colleague's PR. Before you start, run the AI over it. Get its first pass. Then you read. The split of labor is clean. AI catches the boring stuff. Null checks. Off by 1 errors. Inconsistent naming. Missing tests. Convention violations. Issues that are well-defined and easy to spot mechanically. You catch the interesting stuff. Wrong abstraction. Missed requirement. Bad architectural fit. Subtle design smells. Things that require knowing your codebase and your business. The AI saves you minutes per PR on the mechanical stuff. You spend those minutes on the parts only humans can judge well. Net win for both you and your colleague. Use case 3. Reading unfamiliar code with an agent. This one's transformative for joining a new codebase, taking over a project, or inheriting legacy code. Old way, open the file. Stare. Get confused. Slowly piece it together. Hours of grinding. New way, open the file with an agent that has read it. Ask questions. Get answers in seconds. Questions worth asking. Explain this file at a high level. What's its job? Where is this function called from? Map the callers. What's the trickiest part of this file? Where would a new contributor most likely break something? If I change this specific line, what else might break? The agent turns reading time into asking time. You learn the codebase faster. You make confident changes sooner. The onboarding curve flattens dramatically. Now, let's be honest about where AI review still loses. Architecture fit. Whether a change belongs in this file at all. Whether the abstraction is the right one for your system. Whether this is the third copy of the same logic that should have been extracted. These require seeing the codebase at a level the agent doesn't quite hold. Business context. The agent doesn't know what your customers want. It doesn't know which edge cases matter to the people paying you. It can flag a missing case. It can't tell you which missing cases will actually cost money. Taste. This works but feels wrong. That gut sense, you've seen too much code, you know what'll be a maintenance nightmare in 6 months, still belongs to humans. So the rule is, AI does the mechanical review faster than you. You do the judgment review better than it. Lean on each other. The takeaway from this episode. Generate less, review better. The developer who masters AI-assisted review pulls ahead of the developer who only masters AI-assisted writing. Next episode, refactoring at scale. Where AI absolutely crushes find and replace. See you there.